I have some rather strange news. Our listening figures
This is it.
have gone down.
What?
Not mine.
Everyone's, except, of course, Gavin's. And Simon's Sunday Super Smash Show. But that's just because Radio Sunshine doesn't have a chart show.
Radio what the fuck?
Don't you get depressed when the F word has to be in every single sentence?
Right here.
Oh, fuck, sorry.
10 days ago, a new station opened up in the North Sea. It is called Radio Sunshine.
Ugh.
And it broadcasts for 18 hours a day. Oh, by the way, Radio Sunshine's motto is "Who needs the Beatles when you've got Herman's Hermits?"
No! We used to have a motto in my college frat house. Don't get mad, get even.
Yeah, our motto was Semper Fidelis in Nostra Contilio.
And what did that mean?
Don't know. I wish I did.
Right, our motto was never wear purple with beige. So, yeah, different.
Oh, moving on. Now, I believe in that old motto. And I believe most of us have gone and forgotten exactly who we are. And what are we?
We're pirates.
Exactly,
Yeah.
we're pirates. And what do pirates do?
Play records.
Yeah.
No, actual pirates.
Play actual records.
No, fuck me.
Sorry, I've got it.
I think real pirates roam the high seas in search of loot and treasure.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And to put it another way, they kick the fucking shit out of everyone on the fucking ocean who gets in their fucking way. Yeah! And what's Radio Sunshine doing?
Playing records!
Fuck!
No! It's getting in our flippin' way.
And what are we gonna do?
We are going to kick the flip out of it!
Let's go!
Okay!
We should probably eat something first, though, innit?
I'm good. I had a carrot.
She's made spam fritters. It seems a shame to waste them. I'm not saying that because I'm fat, but even fat people need to eat.
Are you sure this pen comes off?
Definitely.
Do we have our weapons? No? No. Excellent. Let's rock.
Sorry, Felicity.
No, I enjoyed the company.
Oh my God, there she is.
This is gonna be so much fun. And clear!
Good, man.
Let the evilness begin. Everyone here. We're missing Mark. Jesus. Dawn's coming. We gotta get back. Oh, here he is. Where'd all you been? Where'd they go? This way.
Morning, boys. Oh. You should have a listen to Radio Sunshine. They seem to have gone rather, how can one put it, off the boil.
Turn it on.
Sorry about this. These folks seem to be having a few technical tantrums this merry morrow. But let's move on, let's groove on. Here's the new sensational sound from The Move. This is Night of Fear.
No, it's not!
I think it's Brenda Lee.
This is some kind of fucking joke.
I want you to find that fuck man, or I will sit down and
Okay, all right, everybody. Everything is copacetic because Big Dave is here to the rock and roll rescue. And let's listen to the palatable platter known as Gary Puckett while Bernard tries to figure out where he left his brain this morning. And Naughty Gary is quite interested in a very young girl. Gary seems to be stuck in that relationship. But you know who's not stuck in anything? Because they have got the best product in the entire world.
Tanks, need to relax. No better way to do it than night cigarettes. They'll give you cancer, and then you can relax for the rest of your life. Because you'll be dead.
Okie dokie! I think it's time we went to the weather and things are in store for us today. Katie!
Oh, the weather is just, you know, great. And last night was heaven.
So, Radio Rock rules the waves once more, and life will be ecstasy. You and me, endlessly grooving.
Cheers.
Congratulations.
You pissed in here, didn't you?
What?
You've done it before. Admit it. You've done it before.
That was a joke. It was an April Fool joke. You know what?
I'm gonna attack
you know
you.
what? It's a joke.
I'm going to attack
me.
your
You know
neck.
why? I quit. I quit.
Yeah?
I'm done.
Okay,
I'm done.
fine.
I'm done.
Get your stuff out of your locker.
I'm done. You
Go
know what?
right now.
You know why?
You know what?
I'm going now.
You're
Yeah.
not before I do this. You've been fucking. You've been fucking my
I
wife.
will overpower you. You don't have the strength.
You've been fucking my wife.
I haven't found just once. Just once. It was an April Fool. April Fool joke. I hate you. It was an April Fool. I'm alone because of you. April Fool joke. I'm off. Okay. I will overpower you.
Somebody save me.